In a shocking turn of events that's got everyone talking, the UK has just dropped a bombshell announcement that's sending waves through communities across the nation. UK police officers are now being granted unprecedented powers when it comes to immigration enforcement. Let me break this down for you, because it's pretty serious stuff. Picture this. You're walking down a British street and suddenly those familiar blue lights start flashing. But here's where things get different. Police officers aren't just checking for ordinary crimes anymore. They're now being asked to actively identify and report individuals they suspect of being in the country illegally. I know what you're thinking. Wait, isn't that what Border Force does? Well, that's exactly what makes this new rule so controversial. We're seeing a massive shift in how immigration enforcement works in the UK. This isn't just about border control anymore. It's bringing immigration checks right to your neighborhood. Here's where it gets really interesting, and kind of scary for many people. These new powers mean that during any routine police interaction, maybe a simple traffic stop or even asking for directions, officers could end up initiating immigration proceedings. The implications, they're huge, especially for immigrant communities. Let me share something that really puts this in perspective. A refugee aid worker I spoke to said something that stuck with me. This could silence immigrant voices. Think about it. People might become afraid to report crimes or seek help from the police, fearing their immigration status might be questioned. But there's more to this story. This move comes as part of a broader strategy to tackle unauthorized channel crossings, which have been making headlines. The government says it's about maintaining order and security. Critics? They're calling it a dangerous overreach that could destroy community trust in law enforcement. Here's the real kicker. This isn't just about immigration control. It's raising serious questions about civil liberties, community policing, and the very nature of British society. Are we looking at a necessary safeguard for national security, or are we witnessing the erosion of fundamental rights? The situation is developing rapidly, and communities across the UK are holding their breath. Some are organizing protests, while others are scrambling to understand what these changes mean for them and their loved ones. Let's be real here, this isn't just policy, it's personal. It's about families, communities, and the kind of society we want to live in. The debate is far from over, and the consequences, well, they're just beginning to unfold. What do you think about these changes? Are they a step too far or a necessary measure? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more breaking news and analysis that matters to you. Stay informed, stay engaged, and keep watching Storysphere Official.